Are you missing out on important booking updates, price drops, or travel alerts? Don't worry, because in this quick video, I'll show you how to turn on or enable notifications in the Booking.com app so you never miss a thing. I'll show you two ways of doing this, so make sure to stay until the end of the video, and the first thing is to open the Booking.com app on your iPhone or your Android device, and make sure you're logged into your account. We're on our main page right now, but let's click on this My Account option located at the bottom right corner of the screen, and that will get us to this page. The next step is to access the app settings, so you'll want to click on the Device Preferences option that's in the Preferences section, and that will get you to this page where you can customize a lot of options related to your booking account. Since we want to enable the notifications, here they are, so let's click on the button, and then you can enable or disable notifications for travel ideas, for upcoming deals, price alerts, and many, many more things. The Your Bookings section will give you the option to turn on notifications about direct messages, your booking statuses, and similar things. So take your time here and select which notifications you want to receive and which one you want turned off. And if you've enabled the notifications in this section but you're still not getting notified, then there's one more thing which we have to do. So you'll want to open the Settings app on your phone. I'm on the main Settings page, and our job is to scroll a bit down and open the Notifications section here. Now you'll want to find the Booking.com app and then open it, and this will allow us to enable or disable the push notifications for this app. If this Allow Notifications switch was turned off for you, then that's what the problem was. So enable this switch right here, and then you'll be getting your Booking.com notifications. If you found this video useful, please consider leaving a like or comment on it because it would really help me out. Thanks a lot for watching this video, everyone.